Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me. Please excuse these red blotches. I just got out the shower for you guys and I'm pale and react badly to heat. So yeah. Anyway, we are here because I made my very first YesStyle order. So I've been watching a lot of Robert Welch's and James Welch's videos at the moment, and they are into Korean beauty products, Korean skincare, and said they shop on YesStyle all the time. So I thought I would give it a little go. So I am going to show you guys what I got, and then I am going to use them for a little bit, and I will insert some thoughts on all these products at a later date. So I'll kind of weave it all together into one video for you guys. So here's the initial impressions. Okay. So the things I ordered were some pimple patches, a foundation, some SPF, a blackhead brush, and some eye primer. Cool. So these are the pimple patches that I got. They are from Course X. It's a Korean skincare company. And basically the point is I get a lot of blemishes, as you can see here, because I don't have any makeup on right now. And I thought that it would be good to try and get something that stops me picking them, because I have no self-control and I pop my spots. So I got these. I think you're meant to leave them on overnight and they should reduce the spot. Let's have a look. So basically it's saying cleanse the area, remove the film, stick on the targeted area. When the patch turns white, replace it with a new one. I can't wait to give these a go later. So I will check back in with these. Hey guys, so I'm just getting ready for bed and I've put on a couple of my Korean spot patches. So 1, 2, 3, 4. It says to leave them on until they go white and then replace them, but I've decided to just put them on before bed. I've left a couple of my spots without anything on so that we can see if it's made any difference. You can still see the extent of the spot through the patch at the moment. So we shall see. I also, when I cleansed, I scrubbed my nose with my new little brush. It was interesting. I don't know how much of a difference it made, but obviously I think it's something that you just have to continue to use in order to see a benefit. So see how that goes. I will do a little update in the morning to see what happens. Hey guys, so I just woke up. All of the patches are still on my face. This one's obviously white, but I don't know if the others have actually turned white yet, so I don't think it's time to take them off. I swear that looks worse. Looks like a hole in my face. I don't know if you can see there, but it's like pulled stuff out of the spot. It's a bit gross. Now I have another circle patch like right there. They made these look like 10 times worse. They actually look like round wounds. The next thing I got was this blackhead brush. This was kind of a little impulse purchase. I literally saw it as I was about to check out. So you can see, I really struggle with blackheads. I always have done. I have a really oily complexion, which is very gross. Sorry guys, TMI. But ever since I was younger, my pores get clogged up really quickly. I've got large pores and oily skin, so you do the math. And I saw this and I thought, I think it was like £1. So I thought I'd give it a go. So it's basically, all the instructions are in Korean. But the point of it is that when you're washing your face, you use it in the area where you get blackheads, I think, to just basically scrub your pores a bit and get some stuff out. This is me interpreting the product. I cannot read these instructions, so that. I got this Biore UV sunscreen. It's a watery essence, and I think this is the one that, I think, if I remember correctly, the one that Robert, sorry guys, was using under his makeup, because it's like, it says watery essence. And he's always saying how he's got quite oily skin, so I do take his advice on dealing with an oily skin under makeup quite seriously. So I thought that it would be good to give this a go under my makeup. It's a beautiful day outside, so I am cracking into my Biore sun cream. Aqua Rich Watery Essence SPF 50+. Ooh. It doesn't smell like overly suntanny, which is nice. And it's very, yeah, it is a very watery consistency. I know that this isn't enough, I just want to, ooh. Very jelly. It's very like cooling actually. It's very satisfying to put on. It feels so nice on my skin. Get up under that fringe. Very gentle on my eyes. Okay. I'm just going to go in with a little bit more, because you have to make a good layer of sun cream. Bring it up my neck a little. Like, I can smell it on my skin slightly, but it's not an unpleasant smell. Some sunscreens are a bit, you know, overpowering. But honestly, that has gone on like a primer. My skin is just sunk straight into it. Yes. I like that. That is very, very nice. I got a Misha, I think that's Misha foundation. It comes in a cute box. This is really pretty packaging. Again, this is a Korean brand. I got it in the shade light beige, which, when I looked at the photos, this looked like the right, oh, I can't even get this out. When I looked at the photos, this looked a lot lighter than light beige, like what it sounded. So how pretty is this? This is a gorgeous little compact. Okay, mirror, a little, okay, so obviously you can't see it straight away because of it's new. Okay, and that is looking pretty dark. I swear it looked like light beige sounds quite dark, but it looked really super light on the website. My hands are clean, so I'm just gonna, oh god, so much product just came out of there. Just gonna swash that on my jawline. Okay. Oh my goodness, that went a long way. And that matches me actually really well. And it feels really nice, and that spreads so far. Oh, I am excited to try this out. So I'm just trying that new Misha foundation. I'm taking my Real Technique brush and just dipping it into the cushion, and then I'm stippling that all over my face. It is a little bit yellow, I think, for me, potentially, but it's not like, it's not a terrible color match. It goes on quite nicely. It's spreading super well. The coverage, so if we go over this spot here, it's not like super full coverage. Oh, it is a tad yellow, my guys. My guys, where the hell did that come from? I'm just going to buff this into my skin and see where we go with this. Maybe I should have known a bit better with beige. But I'm not hating it. It smells really nice. I think if I had my ring light on right now, instead of natural light, this would not look as yellow as it is. Like, I think I would get away with it better under less natural lighting, maybe. Woo! And then the last thing that I got, this to one side, was a eye primer. I know I recently said I got a, oh, what was it? What are they called? The people. You know the people. You know the ones. The ones. Elf. That's not it. I recently got an Elf eye primer because I just, I think I've been waiting for this order, oh God, for about 4 or 5 weeks. So I finally caved and got an eye primer, and then of course this shows up. But this is the same, S-A-E-M, same eye primer. Semoul? I don't know. But it's coming, it's like separated. I don't know. It looks a bit dry. Anyway, I've ordered this to see how it will go. Oh, that just disappeared as I pulled the thing out. It smells like sorry, people outside. It smells kind of like sun cream. So now I'm gonna try this new Seam eye primer. And I'm going to take a flat brush. That is very sheer. Is it liquidy? Bit sticky. Not too sticky. I never know how much of this kind of stuff to use because I'm scared that my eye makeup will not move if I put too much on, but if I don't put enough on, then what was the point? Okay, so I'm just going in with some Tarte eyeshadow here. And so far, this eye primer is beautiful. Like, compared to the e.l.f. one, I found the e.l.f. one really clinged to product, but this one is giving me really good colour payoff. The product is moving around on my eye beautifully. So far, very impressed. I think I prefer this, and they were very similar prices. They were not, neither of these primers was more than £5, so, and this one is definitely, I think, the better of the two. Let's go in with a darker colour, just to see what happens here. I am literally just trying to darken my crease today, nothing too extravagant. But yeah, so far I am enjoying this primer. I think this is working a lot better than my other one. Hey guys, so I just wanted to give you a quick update on the YesStyle products that I got. So I have had my makeup on for about 5 hours now, and as you can see, the foundation and product is not sitting very nicely anymore. I am oily, so it does break it down, but I do think that it hasn't sat very well on the sun cream, because it is just crinkling weirdly. My eyes, on the other hand, are still looking really good, so I'm really pleased with the eyeshadow primer. My lids feel great, my eyeshadow hasn't moved, but around my face I would say that this foundation either is maybe not very long lasting, or it could potentially be the suntan lotion breaking it down. So I will try that suntan lotion with a different foundation, and I will try this foundation without the suntan lotion to see if that's the case. But yeah, that's it. One thing about this foundation is it hasn't oxidized. It does still match my face really well, so I am pleased that I managed to pick the right color on mine. So just points for me. So I forgot to record an outro for you guys, so here's a little shot from my thumbnail and just a little clip from me to say I will see you guys in the next one. Love ya!